Hello everybody, this is Alan here with Golf Cars by Deaver. I'm accompanied today by Larry Ritchie, who's our Lexington retail store manager. With the cabin fever everybody's feeling after this long cold ice storm, I wanted to introduce you to something cool today. This is the new tower top that we're stocking for our EasyGo TXT and Express S4 models. It is awesome. It has a lightweight build and design. It's got a heavy duty powder coat finish on it, and it gives it the look of that off-road vehicle that everybody wants. This particular car, we've accented it with some LED undercarriage lights, and we put some MODZ deep dish gloss black custom wheels on it. This thing is awesome. We have killer financing right now. Rates are low, terms are getting a little longer, and come on down and see us.
Also with this vehicle, we have a custom floor mat and a rear safety grab bar for the riders in the back. Come on out, get yourself out of the cold, come grab you some coffee, a water, walk around the showroom. We have new and used cars arriving daily from EasyGo and Cushman. Come out and see us.